Ayan, welcome guys. Dito tayo sa parte pa rin ng Nanlian Garden, Diamond Hills. Dito sila nagpapaisa, mga Chinese respect area, worshiping area. So, ito yung pasukan. Ito yung pasukan nila. So, puntahan natin yan guys, kung ano ang ating makikita dyan sa loob. Ayan. So, malawak din guys yung yan ang kabuuan ng building. Ayan. Ayan. So, marami ring mga turista na nandito. Ayan. So, yan ang tinatawag na worshiping area sa Diamond Hill. Ayan, pasok tayo dito. So, nakikita dito guys, yung furniture is very well, very nice. So, yun. Ito, dito tayo sa, pasukan, ayan, ng mga mebles niyan, ang gaganda. So, ayan. At meron pala ditong, stone. Ayan. So, ang tawag dito is Leisure and Culture Service Department. Ayan, Lotus Pond Garden. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So, dito pa rin tayo sa may bungad. At tinitignan lang natin yung kapaligiran dito. Ayan. So, ayan. So, maganda. Ayan na, guys. Iikotin natin dito. Pero tignan mo muna natin yung kabuuan bago tayo mag-ikot. So, dito yung leisure pispa na. Pan bala. Ayan. So, pag-iikotin natin yung bahay niya, guys, or so, ayan, ikot lang natin ng tapos iikotin natin, mais. Ayan. So, umpisahan natin dito. Ayan. So, leisure. So, ayan, may dito. Another a man of faith, utter no empty words. He does what he says without conceit and arrogance. Ayan, by Master Yin Guang. Ayan, ang kanyang inspiration word. So, bawat stone guys ay may inspiration word sila. So, titignan natin yung mga wordings nila. Ayan. So, may Chinese at saka may English. To purity the earth, one shall purify the heart first. When the heart is purified, the Buddha's land will be pure. Ayan. From Bimalakirti Nerdika. So, meron 2, 4, 5 mga dito sa parte na ito. Bawat stone guys ay may kanya-kanyang mga words. Ayan, ito naman ang kanyang words ay ito. The essence of heaven and earth merged to form rocks. They broke through the soil and appeared in curious and fantastic shape. Introduction to Yunfin Rock Manwalsong Dynasty. Sa ito naman guys, tingnan natin. Sensya kayo sa aking mga pronunciation ha. Water is the bloodstream of mountain. Cloud are its hair and cloud its expression. Teaching on landscape painting. Ayan. Ayan, tignan naman ito. Ano naman ang words kaya nito? Ayan ang words, guys. A good landscape painting creates sense which the viewers can walk along, watch, rover around, or dwell. Teaching and landscape painting. Ayan. Ayan, tinitignan kung totoo yun, guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Talagang pinaplaslightan kung totoo yun. So, makikita natin lahat yung mga nakadisplay dito, guys, ay may mga magagandang words na mga sinasabi dito. Kagaya rin nito, ay meron din siya. Ayan. Clouds do not fall from the sky, and mills do not gush out of the earth. Our foods and clothing must come from our own labor. Tama nga naman, no? Kung hindi ka magtrabaho, hindi ka magsasaing, wala kang kakainin. Ayan. So, ito naman, ano naman kaya ang lesson learned dito? The mountain is quiet but turns active when water flows. Rocks are static but become lively when trees flow. Yan din ang kanyang kahulugan. Or kanyang ayan, ito naman guys. If a person is diligent in his effort, there is nothing impossible for him. From last sermon of Buddha. Ayan. If a person diligent, pag namnamin mo naman nga ang salita niyang diligent, and his effort, talaga ngang magbubunga. So, ito naman ang kanyang words. I do not touch. Ayan. When dealing with matters, don't seek the easy way. Without difficulties, one will become proud and extravagant. Such thoughts will override everything else. So, a holy man regards tribulation as a way to liberation. Pag-isipan nga. When dealing with matter, don't seek the easy way. Ayun. Magandang paalaala. Huwag kang magresolba ng anumang problema kung galit ka. Ayun. Tama nga. Ito naman guys ay rock carry us back to ancient time. Water make us far-sighted. Water or rocks are essential to landscape garden. Ayan. Ang gaganda ng mga words nila. Ito naman guys is water that is pure, cold, sweet, soap, smooth, soothing, thirst quenching, and nourishing, benefiting us profusely. Paano ba yung basahin? Profusely? Ayan, ang ibig sabihin. Water of 8 meritorious qualities pala. Hindi qualifies guys. Qualities. Sorry. So, ito naman guys. Ayan. So, mayroon pang 4 doon. Or 5. Ayan. Stockrock or extravaganza, slender bamboos grow high and low. So, paspasan natin guys. Tingnan natin yung kabila para makuhanan natin lahat yung mga meaning ng mga rock na naka-display. The key to everything is that we should focus on one thing at one time. Otherwise, we will not be able to concentrate on the essence. Tama nga. Ito naman, anong words niya guys? Water is the bloodstream of heaven and earth. Blood should be circulating and not stagnant. Wag daw madumi. Ayan. Ito naman ay only wish all essential being be free from suffering. I never seek comfort and happiness for myself. Ayun, hindi na siya selfish. And here guys ay another one. A person who does not see the merits of others is a weak man. He who sees and hides them is the most wicked of all. By Master Ao Yi. Ming